Hello, hello, I'm Alana Webster and welcome to Hollywood Makeover. On this episode, we're gonna show you how to incorporate vintage into your everyday wardrobe, as well as how to achieve the perfect date night look with your makeup. But first.
Hi, this is Layla from jeans.com. Now, what girl, woman, whoever doesn't love a pair of shorts? I know I do. So we're gonna do just some parallel flares, whatever they are, and we're gonna turn them into some cool, hip-looking shorts. Now, I know I mentioned this before that I love a good pair of destroyed. So what we're gonna do with these bad boys is just turn them into shorts. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure them and I'm gonna cut them about 10 inches or so. Obviously, that's the pair of shorts. You don't wanna cut them too long. Well, depending on what's your style. I mean, if you want to cut them short, then hey, go for it. But for now, my style would be just cutting about a good 10 inches or so. So just measure them to your liking. And like I said, make sure it's even. You definitely don't want to cut them uneven. All right, everything's measured, looking good. Now what we're gonna do, start cutting. Now, you want to make sure, I would say, cut obviously across. And what you can also do to help you so that you won't get confused, you can mark your measurements with a marker or maybe a slight permanent marker, just so that you'll know exactly where you're cutting, just to be on the safe side. All right, here we go. Always be careful to make sure that you don't cut yourself. Don't want any accidents here. All right. All right, now we got one side. Now we're gonna start the other side. Let's turn these around. What I like about Destroyed is that they have a good sense of just coolness, and I don't know, they just, for a woman, personally with me, they just always seem very sexy to me. It's just has a cool look, but of course you can make it feminine. You can wear a feminine top or a tank top. It's the summer, so you can do whatever you want with a pair of good Destroyed jeans, Bermudas, and of course shorts. All right, looks like we're almost done here. Get this last part. All right. All right, and here we have it, folks. Some good old Destroyed shorts. Just the back as well. And you can be creative with them too. You can add whatever type of designs you want on them. Take whatever that you have that's in the house. You can do anything with a pair of jeans. So you know what? Let's kick it up a notch. I'm gonna turn these around. Just gonna add something simple, but whatever's to your liking is up to you. All right. You can add all sorts of colors to these. It doesn't matter, as long as it makes you look good and feel good at the same time. Right. Just doing a little simple peace sign. It's all about peace in the world. Got a lot going on today, so send out a nice message. All right. And you want to let these dry as well. What you can do, if you want to make the process go a lot quicker, you can take a fan or a blow dryer to kind of get these to dry quickly. All right, and that looks gorgeous. All right, peace and love and rock and roll and fashion. Here you go. For more information, go to jeans.com. This is Layla, and I'll see you soon.
Hi, this is Phil from Possible Clothing. I'm here to show you a couple fashion tips on the make nothing into something. And the way I think to start off is all you need is a scissor and some old fabric. So let's say you have like an old dress or an old t-shirt that you don't mind to wear anymore, but you still like that fabric. You can cut it and make it to like a little piece, probably go like 3 feet long. and you can turn it into almost anything you really want. You can start it off with like a little headband.
Something simple but stylish.
Little headband, you can turn it to the other side so it looks like Coachella hippie-ish, and hippie's kind of in right now. So you can turn it into a little band for legs, for wrists, for almost anything. And as long as somebody, as long as you can make somebody look at you in any position, in a leg, on an arm, on a head, it's eye-catching, and that's really what the main thing of fashion is. If you can catch somebody's eye, you can really catch their mind. You're doing something right.